Good morning, YouTube. I decided to sleep in today. It is currently, let's see, 9:37, and I've been in bed. Today is October 31st, aka Halloween, aka pumpkin birthday. And today we're doing all things pumpkin. I'm still in my PJs, but that's neither here nor there. It's day 3 of my vlogging adventure. Okay, party people. Wow. Okay, everyone. You're getting a no makeup version of me this morning, and we're doing a morning of pumpkin coffee by Trader Joe's and organic pumpkin from all the Trader Joe's. We're having pumpkin coffee and pumpkin oatmeal this morning. Maybe it's an overkill, maybe it's not, but it's Halloween, so that's what we're doing. This is my kitchen. So welcome to my kitchen. Coffee pot, check. Ugh. Tea kettle, check. Coffee, check. And today, we're gonna do condensed milk for breakfast. Make it nice and sweet. Vietnamese coffee style. It's on. Okay, so I'm a French press coffee person. Not everyone is. I don't judge you if you're not, but I love it. I feel like it makes it so bubbly and foamy and creamy. So that's what we're having this morning. I also decided that we are gonna add condensed milk this morning. Totally not healthy, but it's Halloween, and you're supposed to eat sweet stuff all day today. So this morning, I'm obviously doing an entire pumpkin breakfast, okay? Pumpkin coffee, pumpkin oatmeal, pumpkin this, pumpkin whatever. Why are pumpkins associated with Halloween? Obviously, we know pumpkin, everything is associated with fall because they grow in the fall, right? Easy peasy, we know that, we're smart. We educated, yes. Okay, but pumpkins for Halloween, it's very specific. We carve them, we put our candy in it, we do all that type of stuff. But the only thing that I really found was that pumpkins weren't popular until the Irish came over from Ireland in like, I don't even know when it would have been, like 300 years ago, something like that. And they brought the tradition with them, but they didn't use to carve pumpkins, they carved turnips. So it wasn't until they came to the United States that they did decide to carve pumpkins, which I think is really cool. Also, another fun fact about Halloween, my uncle told me this over the last weekend. I was curious where trick-or-treating came from. It didn't really come from anywhere, but the reason it's called trick or treat is because when kids would go get candy, a lot of beggars would also go get candy to try and get free things. So that, in fact, was the trick. Yeah, so now I'm gonna eat my oatmeal. I don't know why I told you guys that, but I just, you know, Halloween thing. Okay, Halloween breakfast has commenced. Pumpkin coffee with condensed milk. Yeah, it's all of the yes, so good. And then pumpkin oatmeal It's pumpkin overkill. We're so basic today cause it's Halloween. You guys, I keep getting seeds everywhere. Whoops. There's like a trail of seeds over here. Look, there's more seeds over there. Ooh, we got trick-or-treaters. See them? Spooky. My pumpkin looks great.